Hello, amazing students. We know you've got a lot on your plate, and keeping track of your schedule can sometimes feel like a puzzle. But don't worry, we're here to help you solve it step by step. Finding your schedule. Your schedule is your roadmap to success. You can find your schedule in the announcements section of the modules in Canvas to make it easy to locate. Secret weapon, the self-service kiosk. Now, let's talk about our secret weapon, the self-service kiosk. It's located on the third floor, and it's like having a personal assistant at your fingertips. You can use this kiosk to check your daily schedule, including the time and classroom numbers. But how do you use it? Easy peasy. We've prepared a video to guide you through the process. Check it out in the next video. With your student number, you can easily access all the schedule information you need. It's like magic.
Hi, my name is Dawn and I'm here to present to you the self-serve kiosk. To get information on how to get your student ID, you can click here. It will give you the QR code on the video presentation on how to get your student ID here at TSoM. You could also use that student ID to get a TTC pass, and you will have the information here. You will use this TTC pass to get a monthly pass to go around Toronto. If you want any information about housing support, you can click here, and you can scan the QR code for all that information. You can also get information about our medical insurance provider in here. Scan the QR code for more information about them. For information about making payments here, you can click here. You can scan the QR code for more information on the methods on how to pay your tuition. If you want to know more about your class schedule, you can click here. You can indicate the last 5 digits of your student number. Voila! And there is your class schedule.
We're here to support you at every step, making sure you're never lost or late for your classes. Your schedule is your best friend, and with a little help from the self-service kiosk, you'll be the master of your schedule in no time. So, whether you're in an in-person class or following online, you've got everything you need to succeed right at your fingertips.